Welcome to Coral Isles at Avenir in beautiful Palm Beach, Florida. Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting new luxury communities in South Florida, where upscale living, resort-style amenities in a prime Palm Beach Garden location. Palm Beach Garden is a growing executive enclave. Coral Isles is a master plan Avenir community, a vision of modern living spread across thousands of acres. Coral Isles stands with luxury home design, natural surroundings, and easy access to everything Palm Beach Gardens has to offer. Maria, what are the amenities that are there in Avenir?
Well, Art and our YouTube guests, there is a 16,000 square feet clubhouse with tennis and pickleball courts, resort-style pool, and coming soon at Avenir amazing town center. They are building a Publix and many other restaurants and stores. Coral Isles is about the lifestyle. Avenir has been carefully planned with preserved natural spaces, walking trails, lakes, and parks so residents can enjoy nature just steps from their front door. 50% of its land, 2,400 acres dedicated to greenery. The city balances growth with an exceptional quality of life, with walking paths and trails. Avenir and Coral Isles is a golf cart community with dedicated golf cart trails connecting everything. Avenir is looking at adding a farm too, and a medical center. Coral Isles at Avenir blends luxury, lifestyle, and location better than anywhere else in the Palm Beaches. Beyond the community gates, Palm Beach Gardens offers everything you could want. Fine dining on PGA Boulevard, luxury shopping at the Gardens Mall, championship golf courses, and of course, beautiful Atlantic beaches just 20 minutes away, or a nearby grassy preserves park. Whether you're raising a family, looking for a second home, or planning your forever Florida home, many top-rated schools, major employers like Pratt and Whitney just up the road, as well as L3 Harris, formerly Aerojet Rocketdyne, Lockheed Martin Sikorsky Aircraft, NextEra Energy and Florida Power and Light, and leading-edge medical centers that employ medical workers and assure health of residents.
All right, why don't we go into the community, take a look inside, and tour a few homes. Coral Isles is crafted by Kenco Communities, an expert in luxury homes. You'll find spacious single-family homes. The build process takes 15 months, but a few quick occupancy homes do exist. Home prices range from $1.5 million to under $3.7 million, with additional costs for contemporary and modern elevations and Homeowners Association (HOA). On average, residents can expect to pay between $200 to $500 monthly, depending on property type and size. The fee covers community area maintenance and amenities. Prices are subject to change without notice, so be sure to contact me for the latest. The sales manager at the community works for the builder, so you need to make sure you have someone who has you covered. Having representation is an important pair of eyes and ears to be there for you and walk through the process from the very first visit to the model center to complete your registration. We will walk you through the many steps in a new construction purchasing process. Contact me at the address shown. On new construction, you do not pay me. The builder will pay my commission, but we are 100% working for you. You get expert services for free. Floor plans range from 3,000 to 5,000 square feet, giving families plenty of room to grow, entertain, and enjoy South Florida living. And expansive outdoor living spaces, perfect for indoor-outdoor family lifestyle. Our first model is the Dominican. 2 stories, 5 bedrooms, 6.5 baths, 3-car garage. It also has a club room, a loft. It has 5,322 square feet under air. It has 6,774 square feet. The base price is $2,189,900. So as we tour this house, you can see that it does have 2 stories and it has a very nice open layout construction, blending in the living room, dining room, as well as a very expansive, charming looking kitchen. Also notice that it has a wine cellar. Nicely crafted stairs. Tip for interior decorating is neutral colors are what buyers are really looking for. And you could see that they nicely crafted white and off-white with black and off-black colors. And on the second floor, you can see there's a family entertainment room as well as the remaining bedrooms. Outside, you can see a very nice patio with a very nice looking pool. I would love to help you explore the community and even schedule a tour of these stunning homes. Hartunian Agents wants to be your real estate go-to source. If you are interested in buying, selling, or renting in Greater Orlando, South Florida, or the Space and Treasure Coast of Florida, then contact us per the contact information on screen to get started. Don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and tab the notification bell for more Florida community tours and real estate guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.